How to use Lowe's for installation services? Well, to use Lowe's for installation process or installation services is pretty simple. So you can typically start by requesting a free consultation or adding a installation at checkout for eligible products. So if the product has the services available, for instance, any furnitures or any products that you find, that is, so you proceed to checkout page. On the checkout page, you want to select the installation option or free consultation option right there. For complex projects like flooring, windows or cabinets, you can fill out an online form or visit a store to schedule a professional measurement. Note that while some consultations are free, certain measurements like for cabinets may require a fee. Once measurements are complete, you will receive a personalized quote covering both the product and the labor. You must purchase the products from Lowe's for them to handle the installation. After you accept the quote and pay, a Lowe's project specialist or the independent installer will contact you to schedule the work. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.